amazing inventions from A.
A is for airplane, invented to soar through the sky.
B is for bicycle, invented to travel fast on land.
C is for computer, invented to calculate and connect the world.
D is for dynamo, invented to produce energy.
E is for elevator, invented to lift people easily.
F is for flashlight, invented to shine light in darkness.
G is for globe, invented to explore the world. H is for helicopter, invented to fly and hover in the sky. I is for ice cream machine, invented to make delicious treats.
J is for jetpack, invented to fly like a superhero.
K is for keyboard, invented to write and communicate faster.
L is for lamp, invented to light up dark places. M is for microscope, invented to see tiny things.
N is for notebook, invented to record ideas and inventions.
O is for oscilloscope, invented to study electric signals. P is for parachute, invented to fall safely from heights.
Q is for quadcopter, invented to fly in the sky. R is for radio, invented to send sound over distance. S is for submarine, invented to explore underwater worlds.
T is for telescope, invented to see distant stars.
U is for umbrella, invented to stay dry in the rain.
V is for vacuum cleaner, invented to clean easily.
W is for windmill, invented to generate power from wind.
X is for xylophone, invented to make beautiful music.
Y is for yacht, invented to travel on water.
Z is for zipper, invented to fasten clothes and bags easily.
Thanks for watching ABC Inventors Adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for watch our next video, ABC Painting Adventure.
It's time for ABC Grok. Learning letters, having fun. ABC Grok.